I'm not putting it up. I'm only doing it.
She's not putting it up. She just helped me carry it up the stairs because my eldest daughter was supposed to be doing a winter wonderland. But where is she? She's not here. So we're not having winter wonderland. So the first thing you do is you take out all the bits and put them down. Are you serious? I'm going to need your help in a minute.
Mum, I put it all the way upstairs by myself. I got it out of that cupboard, which was a life or death, experience.
I don't know why this is...
And now you want me to help you assemble it.
Yeah.
Whilst you did nothing before then. So, I don't think that's how it works.
So this is where it goes. And we start with the biggest at the bottom. Where is that? When you need it. Oh, it's too heavy for me.
Tanya should be doing this. I don't know why you're doing this, Mum. Mum.
I don't know how you're saying that you helped me. It's not so hard. Once you put this on, the tree is up.
I'm feeling really out of breath. That's why I'm sitting, by the way.
That's fine. Thank you.
It's
for helping.
not like...
What hope is there for us old elders if the youngsters are feeling out of breath these days? So I learned a trick. You don't know what my trick is? But when you put up Christmas lights on the tree, you do it this way at the front rather than all the way around. So always the best bits on display, the one at the back, and nobody can see in any case. So, should we now spread this up? Small ones at the top. Do you remember what we put right at the top last year? Was it an angel? Was it a star?
I don't really put anything on the top and there's nothing.
You don't think we put anything on top? I'm trying to think. That one more calorie was a typo.
This is a dark and
Certainly easier to put up zigzag than it is to put up round and round. But let's see if what you say is true in terms of being hidden.
eerie outside, isn't it, Charlie? You see that white fog behind the trees over there? Spooky! Stop that! Oh yeah, it's way too long.
Really? I think it's fine.
I don't
You don't?
know. No,
Okay.
it's too long.
Okay, definitely this is a better way of doing it.
So what do you